Hey y'all, and welcome to another video. I'm fresh in the house, just got off work. It's 3 o'clock, so y'all know how that goes, especially when you are ready to go. You're ready to go. So on my other channel today, I sub for the teacher that I work under, which means I get paid more for subbing in her spot. So it was a planning day, which meant that I was by myself. On days like this, the student teacher goes with her, and I'm just strictly by myself, and I just handle everything, whatever. So at home, I know it's been a long day. I'm about to pop some ibuprofen because I have a headache that has just been lingering all day long. I have some things I need to do around my house because I am far from lazy and just want to get them done. So I gotta get myself motivated. We go get this ibuprofen. I'm telling y'all, it's never like comes in handy every time. Nice cold water. Done. Alright, so I'm gonna start off in my kitchen because this is the place that I don't feel like fooling with all evening long. Looks like I just got crap everywhere. Of course, I didn't put my stuff away when I came from Trader Joe's last night. I just left certain things just sitting around on the table. Alright, so literally I'm just breaking down boxes, putting it in bags. I'm gonna get all of this trash out of here. This was never even used. I need to put all of that stuff away. We got cupcakes the day after the Super Bowl. Looks like it's just me eating on them. So I'm probably gonna trash these and then see if you know, if anybody eats them by tonight. If not, I'll take them to work with me tomorrow. I'm gonna keep the rings because I'll use these for next year, and why not? All right, so I'm putting away all my juice containers. This one needs to go in the trash too. It just broke. I'm gonna keep the container, but I'm not gonna keep the top. So I've been saving the juicing containers from Wegmans as well, just to have more bigger ones than this. So eventually I will let these little ones go and try to resort to like bigger ones. Alright, so nobody sits over on this end ever, so at least it's mostly clean. I just gotta put up these boxes of cereal that I got from Wegmans. I have tried to put the dishes away, and that's what I'm going to get ready to do really quickly. Wash these ones, make sure that these get put away. I'm just sitting them over here for the moment because these are easy for me to bust down. But let's go ahead and get that water started. I am using the Trader Joe's liquid dish soap. This is citrus scent. It was only $2.99, so I said, why not? Because otherwise I'd have to go in Kroger and get some, instead of just going ahead and getting it while I was in there. So I like to start off with washing the utensils off first because they're much easier to handle. Ooh, y'all, I had to come up out of my sweater. I'm hot. And it says it's 74 degrees in here. I ain't got no oven on. I don't have my heat on. Ridiculous. Anyways, got the kitchen straight. green work on these dishes. I wanted to work on one area at a time today because I know how I can multitask and then I'll totally forget. So it's 3:22. It's a good time. Bust these dishes down, and by the time I'm done with that, it should be time for me to walk up the street and get Cam from the bus. And then meanwhile, before I go wash those dishes, I'm gonna go put some stuff in the in the toilet, so that it can sit and kind of like marinate. Whew, y'all talking about somebody tired. I can feel the ibuprofen kicking in now, and it's like, but it's still kind of warm. So it's still reading 74 degrees in here. Like my heat is on, but it's on 68 because it's actually cold outside. I really should just open up a window, but y'all know I don't like my neighbors. All right, so I just finished with laundry. I'm gonna get ready to start this load. Alright, so I already went ahead and put the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner gel into my toilet. I also sprayed the outsides of it one time with the Miss Meyer's Lilac Multi-Surface Scent. I'm just gonna wash it off and then clean out the toilet bowl. I honestly wish that I wouldn't have started that load. I wish I would have started Cam's jacket. But Cam lost his jacket the other day at school, and next thing you know, he brings it home in a bag and was like, I lost my coat. But then the other day he was like, I found it. It was laying in the mud. So now it smells horrible. I don't know if I'm gonna just be like, or wash it. I think I'll try to wash it, and if it does not come out with that scent, it's going to the trash. I just have to vacuum the living room, and then I'm gonna take my tote of clothes to the back because I'm gonna try to wash all of my stuff today, and then bust it down and fold it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna just like fold it and put it in this basket and wait till tomorrow to hang it up and put it away. But at least I want to know that I got laundry out of the way today, because I don't have tomorrow off like I did last week. So I think for dinner tonight I'm gonna heat up some of those butter noodles, but I'm also gonna make some of those chicken patties. So last night at Trader Joe's, last night at Wegmans, I bought the meatless chicken patties and some buns. So I think I'm gonna do just that with some fries. Like I said, butter noodles, fries, and the chicken should be good. Or they can just have applesauce here. Anyways, other than that, everything else is really clean. Cam's gonna come home in a few minutes and get ready to clean his room. Other than that, I just gotta gather up trash when I leave out in the morning. I said I wanted to edit today so bad, but I just ain't in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Hey y'all, happy Friday. Me and the kids are up and heading to Chick-fil-A and Dunkin'. So I'm gonna take them to go get some chicken and minis. I want an iced coffee, but it will not come from Chick-fil-A. So Dunkin' it is. Anyways, with that being said, it is apparently 41 out here. Probably feels like another temp. I'm just glad that today is Friday and the weekend is approaching. This has been one of the longest weeks in a while for sure. So I'm happy that today is Friday. In the morning, I wake up to 5 in the morning. Hey y'all, it is officially the weekend. I am home. It is 3:10. Yeah, it's 3:10 and I'm home. I don't really have much to do. I have like a couple dishes over at the sink. And then, of course, I need to finish my laundry. That's the main thing that I want to get finished today so that me and Charles can just simply relax for the weekend. I'm off Monday for President's Day. The kids don't have any school. So what I am going to do is, like I said, get the dishes done, laundry continued, and then I can sit back and edit, watch videos, and I'm also able to do whatever I want to do. All right, so Cam is gone for the weekend. Yay, yay, yay. I did go ahead and start the water for those dishes. I have a load in the washer, so I just have to do one more load of ours and then do Sky's load of laundry. That's it. When it comes out, I'll fold it and put it right into this basket, and then I'll take everything back there later tonight or do it first thing in the morning. So we are supposed to get anywhere between 1 and 5 inches of snow overnight, which I really wish it would have happened like Monday night when I have to go back to work Tuesday. But anyways, thankfully I'll be here and I don't have to worry about that. So with that being said, I ain't got nothing to do. While I'm waiting on that load to wash for me to throw it in the dryer, I am going to go over here and tackle these dishes and then get ready to sit down and edit a couple videos that I can put out for my channel. All right, y'all, now that I have stopped and I'm done with the dishes, I am gonna go ahead and make a little wine cocktail for me and Chuck. It's been a long day, it's been a long week. I don't know if any of my other teacher friends here on YouTube are going through the same thing. All I know is it has been a full moon every single day this week, and I'm surprised I still have hair on my head. I'm surprised I still want to be a teacher, and I'm surprised I still have a job. Hey y'all, so it's 7:21. I am out because I'm gonna run up to Sticks and get some dinner for me and Chuck. Sky just wants some onion rings because she just had ramen noodles not too long ago. So now that I am out, I'm gonna grab that. I am really in the mood for an iced coffee. I don't know why, I'm just in the mood for one. It just like, I don't know. These last few days with the iced coffee thing has been delicious. And honestly, I may get us some ice cream from Baskin Robbins.